Hey dolls and friends, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michon, and on this channel I create high-end farmhouse home decor using a majority of Dollar Tree items or other affordable things. I also sprinkle in some hauls and reviews. But if you're not new, hey doll, hey! So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys some really awesome rub-on transfer hacks. I love how all of these DIYs came out. These are going to be super easy for you to create. All you really are going to need is some paint, whatever colors that you choose. You okay? To put on your project. So whether it's a sign or a vase, whatever you want to do, but the rub-on transfers are going to elevate and make your items look so high-end. Dollar Tree has been coming out with some really great rub-on transfer sheets. So I think you guys are really gonna enjoy this video as much as I loved creating it. So if you do enjoy this video, I would appreciate if you gave me a big thumbs up, as it definitely helps out my channel's growth. If you're new, love what you see, but also love all things home decor and DIYing on a budget, I would also appreciate if you consider subscribing and hitting the bell right next to it so you're notified every time that I upload. And if you don't mind kids in my videos or my voiceovers, this is the channel for you, because I'm a real life mom that works and does YouTube full time. So you're gonna get what I'm giving, because that's all I got. I really hope you keep watching. All right, let's get to the DIYs. For the first DIY, I found this Market Fresh block sign at Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance for about $1.35, I think it was. It could have been cheaper than that. But anyways, I sanded it down really good, and I'm going to give this 2-coat, really I gave it 3-coat paints of this Dusk chalk paint from Waverly. It was a little watery, and so I realized that I needed to shake up the paint bottle a little bit. So once I did that, I was able to get a good coat on there. This is what it looks like once I'm done. And now I'm just trying to figure out which rub-on transfers I want to put on here. And I go with the Farm Fresh Flowers rub-on transfer. I think it's super cute. And I think that it has a really high-end look to it, some of these rub-on transfers. So I just transferred over with my Cricut tool. You can use your fingernail or like a card or something. That works as well. The next thing I decided to do was take some of these craft wood bugs. They're ladybugs. I actually picked these up from the Dollar Tree. And then I just have a little bit of floral pieces that I took off of some picks. And I just used a bead of hot glue and hot glued down a couple of those floral pieces and 2 ladybugs. You can omit this stuff if you want to, but I thought it would be really cute to add these on here as little details. I really like it, but I can also take these off because I didn't put a lot of hot glue on it, and it's not going to mess my sign up whatsoever. But I think this is adorable. It came out really cute, but I'll probably end up taking off the ladybugs, to be perfectly honest. All right, I'm taking a quick pause, letting you guys know that this video is also part of a collaboration with some of my friends here on YouTube. I collaborate with them every month, and this month we are doing a craft your stash video, and these are all items that I just had laying around. We also have a couple of new co-hosts this month, as we do every month, so make sure you head down to my description box below or the pinned comments. There you will find the link to the playlist. If you're new and from the playlist, hello, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. I really hope you consider subscribing, and make sure you guys go check out all the other friends on this playlist and tell them I said hi. All right, let's get back to the DIYs. For my next DIY, I'm using this shadow box sign that I got from Dollar General. It was on clearance from Christmas. It was originally $2, but I actually got it for literally, I'm not joking, like 20 cents. So I stacked up when I found these at Dollar General. I popped out the back of this sign, which is actually really hard to do. And I'm going to cover the front with brown craft paper and paint the back with some white chalk paint. Okay then. Then I'm going to sand down the frame and then paint that with my Dusk chalk paint. The next thing I do after my sign is fully painted white. I'm going to take the floral rub-on transfers that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to measure that out and just mark that down with my pen and then cut that to size so that way it can fit on the front of my sign now. So I'm just going to transfer that over, rub that on really hard. You know, sometimes these rub-on transfers are really easy to get over, and sometimes they take just a little bit love, care, and attention. So that's what it needed from me. The next thing I did is just took a piece of wood that I just like some scrap wood pieces. I painted that with my moss colored chalk paint and then transferred over "You Are a Wildflower" phrase from the same set of rub-on transfers from the first DIY. So I just put that over there, and then I hot glued it down onto a Jenga piece and then right in the middle of that sign, and then popped everything back into place. And that's it for this one. I think it's adorable. It's so cute. I love all of the colors, and it just brings so much spring like vibes and happiness to me. It's super cute. For this next DIY, I have a few more rub-on transfers from the Dollar Tree that I'm just kind of going to mesh together. So I have this sign that I got from a subscriber. I have really sweet subscribers. You guys are amazing, always sending me a box of goodies. And so I painted that using my Waverly chalk paint in white. And then I am going to use the rub-on transfers of this really cute, like kind of border looking thing. It's kind of like bohemian farmhouse to me. And then I have this phrase that says, "They built a life they loved." And so basically all I'm going to do is do kind of a line down and a line across. So the first thing I did is took the phrase and I transferred that to the bottom left corner of this sign. I know, but I got to do this, okay? And then I took the piece that I'm going to make kind of, that you could make a border, but I just kind of made it two striped lines down the side and underneath. You can see what I'm doing here. And I just cut it down to size and then just rubbed it on with my fingernail. I sanded down the corners just to get my farmhouse look that I love. And that's it for this one. I think it turned out super adorable. It's super simple, tiered tray or table decor, but I really, really like it. And you wouldn't know that they came from rub-on transfers. Next up, I am using a small canvas sign from the Dollar Tree. I want to say it's like a 3 by like 4 or something. I could be completely wrong. I can't remember, but it's the smallest sign you can find, a canvas sign you can find at the Dollar Tree. And then I have this leftover galvanized heart from a bunch of signs from Dollar Tree. First, I removed my canvas off of my frame. I'm so sorry about Phoebe, y'all. But there's just no way around it. I moved the canvas from the sign just using a knife and just cutting down where the staples were. And then I painted my frame using my antique wax paint. And then I'm just going to replace my canvas right on the back, just using some hot glue and cutting off the excess. The next thing I did is took the galvanized heart and I'm transferring on a home word rub-on transfer from this pack, and I was able to do this really easily with my fingernail, especially because the grooves in the heart made it super easy. And then all I did was hot glue it straight to the middle front of that canvas, and that's it for this one. So adorable. Again, great for tiered trays, or even if you want to set it next to a candle on a shelf. This one is super simple. All I did is took a vase, like a little mini vase. I can't remember where I got this. I want to say it was Target, and it was only $1 in the Target dollar spot section, but I think it came in a pack of 3. And I just transferred over some of the flowers. And that's it for this one. You can style it any way you want, but I love how easy it is. For my last DIY today, I am taking this mason jar that I picked up around Halloween last year, and I have just even more of the rub-on transfers that I've been using this entire video. So all I did was remove the twine that's at the top along with the galvanized piece at top. I covered the front with brown craft paper and painted the back with my Waverly chalk paint in white. And then for this mason jar, I'm just going to randomly place some of the phrases and the floral pieces all around. I'm really a fan. Okay. I'm really a fan of really just random phrases and the way things are. Like, they don't have to be right side up. They can be kind of turned to, you know, horizontally or whatever. I'm just really a fan of just the random pieces of decor look. And I hot glue the galvanized piece right back on top. And I also put a galvanized heart onto the side. And then I just added some of the jute back to the top. And that is it for this one too. Super cute, really adorable. And I love all of these hacks, y'all. That's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you check out the playlist. Be blessed, stay safe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye. This girl always taking over my craft space. Look at this. What am I supposed to do? Huh? It's okay though. It's okay. Yeah, grab it. Grab it. You can grab it. Go ahead. You can do it. Go on, girl. Go on, girl. Do it. Do it. Do it. Get your hands out your mouth. You gotta get your hands out your mouth if you want to do it. Here you go. Here you go. You got it. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey. Hi. Yeah, go ahead. Get it. Get it. Get it. Almost. Almost. You're almost there. All done. All done. All done. All done. Yay. Go, Phoebe. Yay. 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 Go, Phoebe. Go, Phoebe. Go, 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 Phoebe. Yeah, yeah. Go, Phoebe. Yeah, yeah. Go, Phoebe. Yeah, yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh. Okay. I'm just staring at my hanging hair. Yeah.